All right, we are unboxing the Stanford season tickets, which are shipped out of 641 Campus Boulevard. This went all the way to Memphis and back to Palo Alto. This is nice. This is nice. Previous years it was, look, there's a little flag. Brady Boo. Brady Boo cares. Brady says hi. Brady says hi. So, Brady Boo. Hey, Brady. Look at this. Cool stuff, right? Looks like a flag or something. Some kind of gift. Let's open it. Brady, what do you think, buddy? What do you think? Pretty cool, right? Brady's not allowed on my bed, aka my futon. Oh wow, it's a huge flag, which will go nicely with the other flag. These are the tickets. These are the tickets. We see all the different tickets that feature different players. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. That's my unboxing.